Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia Shanice. Today's video is going to be on the infamous Wear and Go wig. This wig is from Westkiss hair. All the details will be listed down below. I am just going to demonstrate exactly how Wear and Go wigs are, and just going to give y'all like a brief detail about what exactly it is. So the Wear and Go is a new thing, period. It's new. So a lot of the times in the summer times, lace can be just really annoying, and a lot of the times you don't have too much time to get ready. You don't have enough patience for that adhesive sweating, it's not sticking, it's not lasting. So a Wear and Go is a wig that's already basically customized for you. It's already styled for you. Some of them do already have baby hairs as well. The knots are bleached, the lace is cut. You literally have to just prop it on your head and go out the door. So this wig is from Westkiss hair. This is the wig here. I did wash the hair. And I did already basically style it for the most part. I did just press it out completely because I will be curling the hair just to see if the heat can take as well. I will be curling it just to basically give it a style. But this is the wig here. As you can see, it's very long, silky. It is actually really dark. It does appear in a black color, but this is it. The only thing I did was put product on the top part just to lay it all down, but this is exactly what it looks like. You can see the hairline is already plucked and the knots are very small. Again, some of them will come with bleach knots, some of them will not. So because these knots are very, very small, you can hardly tell. You can add your foundation to it. I did not, and this is exactly what it looks like. It does have an HD lace. The lace does already come cut as well. You can see the lace is already has a jagged edge, so it does already come pre-cut. This is the inside of the wig. Again, you can see I just have it in the middle part so far, and it does have the elastic band. So I did go ahead and adjust my elastic band. Make sure you adjust it really, really tight for the best security. Because this wig does not have any combs, I will show y'all that it does not have any combs in it. You do want to make sure that your elastic band is very secure and very tight. You can loosen it. It is very stretchy. So you don't have to worry about it being too tight or only in one length. You can adjust it however. So of course, I like to adjust mine to basically the tightest. I'm just going to probably put it about right here. And you also have 3 notches on the side of the wig, so you can adjust it. You can adjust the actual length. Yeah, you have 3 notches. So mine is on the very top one. This is the elastic band, and it is adjustable. It's adjustable. All right, so I am just going to show y'all exactly how I put the wig on. Again, I just have my hair pulled back in like a low bun. So if it does look kind of lumpy and bumpy, that is exactly the reason why. I do have my hair like in some like 2-strand twist, so that is exactly the reason why. If it looks kind of weird, that is why I just put my ball cap over it. I'm not going to actually put makeup on my ball cap. It's just going to be, it is what it is. You can apply makeup just for like a more scalp light, but because this is a tan ball cap, I am just going to leave it in a tan look. All right, so the first thing I am going to do is already adjusted my band. So I'm just gonna put the band at the back of my hair, of the back of my head where my nape area is, right below my cap. And I'm just gonna pull the wig over. And you can adjust it however you want. And this is what it looks like so far. And I have no baby hairs left out on this wig at all. Just want to take my comb and just comb through it. And so far I'm not getting any tangling or anything. And now originally when I first got the wig, it did have curls in it and everything. But actually once I washed it, I didn't have any tangling. Now because it was curled, it had a lot more tangles earlier, but since I washed it, it's actually a lot less tangly. So I don't know why, but as you can see, this hair is very thick and flowy. I didn't put no products on the hair throughout at all when I had straightened it. This is just naturally how the hair is. It does have a natural shine to it, and all of that has a natural shine. The reason why I washed it to begin with is because I wanted more luster to the hair. The hair is so silky. Let me repeat, the hair is so silky, so silky. So even after washing it, it's still silky. So it doesn't have like a rough luster. It's just going to be really silky. Like the hair is going to move. The hair is going to move. It's going to be silky. So if you want like a different luster, definitely order like a different texture. But this is what the hair is going to be like. So I'm just going to give y'all like a really up close look. So that is what the wig looks like. And I'm just gonna stand up and show y'all exactly how long it is on me. I am 5'6". I am 5'6", and I believe this is a 24 inch. So if I am giving y'all the wrong length, again, I will leave it down below to give y'all the correct one, but I do believe it is a 24 inch. So it does come to about my waist, and I did press this wig out. And it does just come to the top of my buttocks area, so just at the bottom of my waist. All right, so you can also adjust this wig to any part. So just because it is in a middle part does not mean that it has to stay in the middle. So just because it's in the middle part does not mean you have to stay in the middle part. It is a kind of like a 4 to 5 inch mark. So it does go from right here to right here. You can part it in a different section, or the one thing that I like to do is just shift the wig. So all I did was just shift the wig. Shift it just like this. You shift it just like this, and you got a side part. So you can keep it in the middle part and just shift it over to the side. But we're just gonna put it back in the middle today. And just be mindful of your elastic band. Mine actually just popped in the back. So just be mindful of the elastic band when you're shifting your wig. And because they can, you know, disconnect. They can disconnect from the hoop. So make sure it's secure, make sure. But my wig is still on my head without the elastic band. It's not like it will actually go anywhere. But the elastic band gives it that extra security. So this wig just fits really, 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 really good on my head. So that's why my wig is still on my head. But I am just gonna cut it and put a little bit of layers into my wig. Let me see how good that looked. That looks so good after putting some layers into the hair, and it's gonna make the curls look even better. All right, so I did just do both sides of the wig. Just add just a couple of layers to it, nothing too major, just so when I cut it, it's just gonna flow and look a little bit better. All right, so here is my Babyless flat iron, and I'm just gonna curl it with my Babyless flat iron. All right, so I am just gonna curl it, and I will just come back when it is all finished. All right, so this is the hair after I curled it. I did just add just a couple of layers around my face area, and I love it. I'm not gonna lie, the hair is really black. Like, it kind of reminds me of like a really natural 1B. It's really dark, so it really makes everything pop. With the layers to it, it looks so good. I had no problem at all curling this hair, even after my fingers just run right through it with no problem at all. It's still flowy and it has so much bounce to it. The hair is really nice, really nice. I really do just love this hair. Like, I really love this hair, and of course it's still glueless. So I had no problems at all, and I did curl my hair without the elastic band too, and the wig did not come off my head at all. So I love it. It curls really good. It takes heat really good. I did added a little bit more body to it, and I do want to say this hair already comes pretty thick. The hair is not thin at all. As you can see at the beginning when it was straight, it looks really thick because it is really thick. So the hair all the way around from Westkiss is really good. This is like, will be a great purchase for anybody who wants to try to get away from that adhesive this summer because it's really hot. This hair definitely is true to length. The color is amazing. The lace is really good. Again, it does come pre-plucked. You can part it in any type of way. The curls are in, no problem at all. And again, I will leave everything listed down below just in case you want to go on there, look at it, go on their website to check it out. Again, this is Westkiss hair. This is the Wear and Go wig. The inch is 24 inches and it is a body wave, but originally I did straighten it. It does come curled and everything. You won't have to do anything but to literally just put it on your head. Again, I didn't put no color at all on this lace, so it does naturally come in a HD. It does naturally look really realistic, so you don't have to worry about adding color because a lot of y'all do not even wear makeup, so that is a good thing too. So you don't have to worry about trying to find the right shade, the right foundation to put on your wig because you don't even need it. You know, just prop it on your head and go and worry about the rest later. But yeah, this is definitely a look. I do want to just see what it looks like. Oh, they did not have to do that. Y'all, look at the side. Look at the curled. Oh my goodness. Look at the side part curled. This looks so good. So good. And my comb goes right through it. Right through it. This is so cute. That is so cute. And y'all know I live for side parts, so I'm sold. I'm definitely sold. That is so cute. So cute. I can't believe the side part looks like that. That was my first time like doing it, because after I had curled it, I just, you know, started recording myself. I didn't even try to put it in the side part. But yeah, side part, middle part, and other side if you're a lefty. I'm a righty, so yeah. But other side if you want it. And I keep pulling it up because y'all know forehead, so that's why I just keep pulling it up. But yeah, is it giving? Is it giving yet? Because I think it is. I think it is. And y'all know I live for the side part, so I'm sold. But I kind of like it like in between, like not middle, not side. You know, trying to be on my grown woman. You don't need that really deep side part. You just want something really natural. And if this isn't natural, I really don't know exactly what is, because this is definitely so if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just leave them listed down below. Again, I will link everything listed down below in the description box. Feel free to ask me any questions. Tell me exactly what you want to see next in my video. And thank y'all again for watching. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm Tia Shanice, and thank you again for watching.